बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Dear students, hope you all are good. Welcome to this online computer class. Our today's topic is parts of a computer from page number 14 and 15 of book. In our today's lesson, we will discuss about the main parts of a computer. So let's start our today's lesson. Parts of a computer. There are four main parts of a computer, namely कंप्यूटर के चार बुनियादी हिस्से हैं जिनके नाम ये हैं। नंबर 1 मॉनिटर, नंबर 2 CPU, नंबर 3 कीबोर्ड and number 4 is mouse. In our previous lesson, we have studied about monitor and CPU. In our today's lesson, we will discuss about keyboard and mouse. And first of all, we are going to discuss about keyboard. Keyboard has small buttons on it. These are called keys. कीबोर्ड पर छोटे बटन्स होते हैं जिन्हें कीज कहा जाता है। It has alphabet keys, number keys and special function keys. कीबोर्ड पर alphabet keys A to Z, number keys 0 to 9 और special function keys होती हैं। With keys you can type alphabet and number. इन कीज की मदद से आप alphabets और numbers लिख सकते हैं। And now we are going to discuss about another important part of computer, which is mouse. This is a computer mouse. ये एक कंप्यूटर माउस है जिसकी पिक्चर आप देख सकते हैं। It has a long wire attached to it. इसके साथ एक लंबी तार मौजूद होती है। It helps to point things on a computer monitor. कंप्यूटर माउस की मदद से हम कंप्यूटर मॉनिटर स्क्रीन पर आइकन्स को पॉइंट कर सकते हैं। Dear students, hope you understood today's lesson. Now let's move on to today's homework. Here are some questions for you students, and question number 1 is define keyboard, and the answer is keyboard helps you to type. Question number 2 is define mouse, and the answer is mouse helps you to point things on the computer screen. Dear students, you have to write these questions in your notebooks and you have to learn these questions. Here are some more questions for you students from page number 18 and 19 of the book. And question number 1 is, name the 4 parts of a computer. And the answer is A. Monitor, B. CPU, C. Keyboard, and D. Mouse. Question number 2 is, which part of computer looks like TV? And the answer is monitor. Question number 3 is, which part of a computer is known as its brain? And the answer is CPU, Central Processing Unit. Question number 4 is, which part of computer helps you to type? And the answer is keyboard. Question number 5 is, which part of a computer helps to point things on the monitor? And the answer is mouse. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. And number 1 is, keyboard looks like a TV screen. Number 2 is, cat is the brain of a computer. Number 3 is, mouse helps to draw. Number 4 is, keyboard helps to type numbers. And number 5 is, CPU is not an important part of a computer. And here are the answers. And number 1 is, keyboard looks like a TV screen. Cross. Number 2 is, cat is the brain of a computer. Cross. Number 3 is, mouse helps to draw. Tick. Number 4 is, keyboard helps to type numbers. Tick. Number 5 is, CPU is not an important part of a computer. Cross. Dear students, you have to solve these on page number 18 and 19 of book. Hope you understood today's lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.